Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Subaru XV Crosstrek. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.